Welcome to the world of Jay Flight. So Jay Flight for Jayco is where they put more floor plans on the map than any other product that under the Jayco umbrella. So we're really excited about the Jay Flights this year and what they're bringing to the table. Right here we've got a 170 FQ Sport. This is probably my favorite new floor plan this year in the Jay Flight series. So let's go on in and take a look. For this one, for me personally, I'm kind of a minimalist when it comes to RVing, and this one brings everything to the table that you need to get out there camping. It's got a great place to sleep. You can access the bed from both sides, so you're not crawling over somebody at night. It's got enough kitchen to get it done. Let's face it, folks, most of the time we're camping outside at the campfire when we're out doing the RV experience. I am anyway.